Welcome back. I am Edot Reep, and this is another unboxing video. And I appreciate you for tuning in. So, this was a late night cop. Because from time to time, when I'm bored, I almost cut myself with the knife. But yeah, on a late night from time to time, man, I scroll different websites just to see what they have, on sale or what's new. So I was on Commonwealth. It's a local boutique out here. I know they have a location definitely in DC. I want to say there's one in LA as well, then Philippines too. I'm not sure if there are any more locations, but I know it originated out here in 757. So I was in the sales section and I came across these shoes. So I was like, okay, it's a nice colorway. The shoe looks crazy. But of course they didn't have my size. So I'm doing my Googles, searching, and everybody had them on sale for the most part, but nobody had a size larger than 11.5 in these. There we go. Got the typical Puma box, Puma Select, and you got the shoe on this tag, but you already know what the thumbnail is, so it's all good. Size 12. But yeah, I need a size 12, of course. So I was searching like at least 2 or 3 hours. I was searching every boutique or store that I can think of, and no one had a 12. So I think the last store I went to online was Shoe City, and for some reason I went to their Instagram just to see they posted. I guess I don't know, but while I was typing in Shoe City, Shoe Gallery popped up. And I was like, okay, Shoe Gallery. I forgot all about Shoe Gallery. And that ended up being the place that actually had a 12. But it was retail. So if anybody wants this shoe, I will link Shoe Gallery in the description. But if you want it for the low, you just got to do your own research, because they're out there in smaller sizes for a cheaper price. But this shoe, this colorway, is crazy. Like, I'm just happy to get these. I hope this 12 fits, because I'm going to be so mad if I could end up going with 11.5 on this joint and I pay retail when I could have paid like $90. It's just the principle. I mean, I paid for them. I got them. I'm glad I got them. I just hope that the 12 was the right decision, because I could have got the 11.5 easily. Like I said, $90. Maybe it might be cheaper than that, but I'm not even gonna think about it. Whatever. That's in the past. The money has been spent. This is like my first pair of Pumas since like 2014, maybe 2015. But like I said, definitely my first colorway of this model. So yeah, let me go ahead and get this right shoe and get into this close-up. So starting off, there's a lot going on. You different materials. You have this like gray suede, gray mesh. I want to say up here by the lace holder is like maybe a nubuck, not quite a suede, definitely a nubuck. And on the ankle collar, I want to say it's a different type of mesh as well. And then you have like a synthetic material on the heel. You have the Puma logo in a white leather. So this shoe has a lot of different materials on this joint. Puma was not playing when they made this shoe. Like, the colorway off Rip is fire. And then the materials, like everything you can throw on a shoe, they did it. So moving on to the toe box, you have a white mesh. Going up the tongue, you have like this neoprene tongue. And then you have, I guess, like off-white or cream rope laces with the neon tips. And then you kind of have like the Puma's version of Flywire, locking down. And like this neon or like hot punch or whatever they want to call it. And then you also have like rubber lace tabs, I guess, lace holders for like more lockdown fit. I want to say this is a running shoe, so I guess that's why they have the different lockdown features. What else? What else? On the back, you have that like hot punch pull tab. Then you have the turquoise. I won't say a turquoise or aqua color ankle liner or sock liner. Ankle collar, I'm sorry. Ankle collar and the sock liner is in that bright neon. So like, yeah, this shoe is crazy. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. I'm not even gonna play myself. But that is the Outsole. I gotta try it. I guess it's xetic. Maybe, I don't know. Any big Puma heads out there, let me know if I pronounce it right, or let me know what it is. But I think that's xetic. But then you got the sole is what got me. You have the off-white like cream sole, but it reminds me of the Adidas 4D runners. So you know how certain brands, they bite off of each other with certain elements. But that's the first thing that caught my eye, is that sole looks like a 4D runner. And then you got your outsole. Crazy traction, you know. So I'm pretty sure this is a runner. But this is too clean to run in. Like, this is definitely casual all the way for me. And as I'm examining the shoe further, there's like a big elastic strap on the inside. Let me see if I can show you guys. I don't know if you can see that. So you see that elastic strap right there? I hope the camera's picking it up. Yeah. So yeah, I'm definitely glad I got the 12 now, because I'm pretty sure the 11.5 would have been way too tight. And it looks like the toe box is see-through. I don't know, the camera probably won't pick that up. I guess you can like kind of see the hits of pink underneath it. Maybe you can see it from this angle, like the light is shining through on the toe. But yeah, so yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a runner. Give your feet ability to breathe in this shoe, but these are crazy. I'm so, like, I can't say that enough. Can't stress that enough. The colors, the shoe itself, it just looks futuristic, I would say. Go get one more 360, man. Whew. Definitely glad I got my hands on these. Like always, you want to see it on foot, let me know down in the comments, and I will definitely throw that together for you guys. I can't stop looking at these joints. But yeah, let me go ahead and end the video, man. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to your boy. Appreciate all the support so far. Definitely going up in 2021. A lot of shoes on the way, man. February, supposed to be a big month for Jordan. Hopefully they don't push anything else back. And I think there's going to be a shock drop soon on those carmines. So definitely keep your phone nearby. I'm not sure when this will drop. Hopefully it drops before the shock drop. But otherwise, everything I just said meant nothing to you. So good luck and congratulations, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, catch y'all next one.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your girls and now you're excited.